What's up, Jessica? I think Laura went to the market and she got this cool book.
Yeah, look. Did I have another one?
Yeah, it's okay. It's very big. You got a lot of pages here.
Yeah.
So many pages. And it comes with a free gift. Are you excited? Okay, let's see what the free gift
Did I
is.
have another one, right?
It's pretty cool that this book comes with a free gift. And we have another video where she got a different book a couple months ago and it also came with a gift. And this is a different gift.
I'm gonna get another one.
Yeah.
And that I rip it.
Uh-huh. Wait, let's show this. What is this? So it looks like it's a mystery box. You can't see in it. You don't know what you're gonna get. It feels a little heavy. Did you say she rips it? She has to go to the food game, Vincent? It's a game. Whoa.
Cool, cool.
I don't see any ribbons in there.
What type of game is it? Alright. It's this.
Uh-oh, there's a lot of tape on it.
What about these other books? You guys ever read this one?
Okay, now let's see. Can I have it? Wait, don't rip open all the pieces. Okay, so it looks like she got this thing.
Yeah.
This says it's a ribbon cheerful playing cards. Oh, okay. So these are playing cards, guys. Playing cards.
Let me see. What does that say?
Okay, can you go, Sarah? Look at the clip. Right here, she got like a spinning top and some game pieces.
Look at card. Look at card.
She also got some tarot cards so she can start reading my future. And stickers. I think these stickers go on the game pieces. And this is probably like a guide on how to read the tarot cards. It's very big. Wow, this is very big. I bet this can cover the whole table if we open it. Have it, so how we open? Cards. Okay, well, look how big this guide is on the instruction on how to read it. It's very big.
We can't read it.
And so hold it up. And Valora also got this item here. We're not sure how to play it. We're probably gonna have to figure it out. I guess you get points and stuff.
Google Translate.
Yeah, we'll probably use the Google Translate. Good idea. And you get little letters. Is that your tarot cards? Or your tarot cards? Is that your tarot cards? Is it tarot?
Tarot.
I say tarot.
Well, then you're just saying it wrong.
Tarot.
There's no multiple
Tarot
times.
cards?
Yes, tarot.
Okay, here is the tarot cards.
Wait.
All these things here.
Too many.
That's where if you pull a couple cards, it'll tell you your future.
And I'm looking for a pretty person's account.
Ooh, I like that one. The angel. And this book is very thick.
How about that?
It's like a phone book. Look how thick it is.
No, that's a big.
And it has lots of cool pictures inside. I think those are some ads in there. And it even has some fun pages in the beginning, like it has a little puzzle and other little things.
Too bad they'll never see those pages because they're not going to get that far.
And these are great books also
What?
for
Just
helping
someone
you
sitting there?
learn how to draw because you can have some reference pictures for drawing anime characters. Laura, do you like all the stuff you got?
There's too many cards. We're losing.
Are you going to take care of everything, Laura? Yeah.
I like it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up.
Too many. Is it Uno?